KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken and pasta salad with a pea and cashew pesto. This just rocks, believe me, real quick and simple dish, this one. First thing I've got is I'm boiling up some water and we're going to cook our peas in that. I'm actually going to cook some farfalle in the microwave, add a little bit of salt to your water for the peas. Don't worry, it can handle it. So we're going to add in around about a cup, maybe a cup and a half's worth of peas. You can use as much or little as you like. We're making up a dish that will last at least 2 nights. Alright, so we're just going to blanch those 5 minutes. I'm going to strain those off and cool them down under a little bit of cold water. It is as simple as that. Now we can get ready to start making up our pesto. So I've got a little food processor. Here I've got some unsalted cashews. I'm going to add in around about a third of a cup, maybe a quarter of a cup, straight in like that. And I'm going to blitz these up to make like a little bit of a meal, like a bit of a nut meal. Right, so we're going to get those nice and fine. A traditional pesto uses pine nuts. They break up real quick and easy, but we're doing things a bit different. Add your peas straight into your food processor and make sure you get some on the bench, otherwise, as per usual, you are not doing it right. I'm going to add in a good squeeze of basil paste. You could use dried basil, you could use fresh basil if you've got it on tap. I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic paste, probably about 2 cloves worth, and a very healthy pinch of finely grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. I'll leave that up to you. They both work extremely well. Okay, now all we're going to simply do is give this a bit of a quick mix up using our food processor. It's going to be a little bit dry at this point, but don't worry, we can loosen this up as we go along. I'd rather it be a little bit too thick in the beginning and make it a little bit runny later than have it too runny to begin with. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a blitz, add a little bit more water, give it a bit more of a blitz until I've got a consistency that I'm happy with. I'm also going to add in a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. That's going to make it really nice and creamy. So I'm just going to keep blitzing this up until I'm really happy with the consistency. As I said, I want it a little bit thicker to start with. We can always loosen it up later. So we're going to start off with something like that. And now we can start getting our pasta put together, our salad put together. So I've got a pasta setting on my microwave. You can do it on the stove top if you want. I'm just going to cook those in the microwave, add a glug of olive oil over the top, mix the olive oil through with your pasta. We want this at room temperature, by the way. We can add in some smoked chicken. Now you can either buy smoked chicken and cut it up really fine like I do. Unfortunately, the way I cut it won't portray on film as good as you can actually do it yourself, I suppose, or you can get it from your local delicatessen or supermarket already shaved. Okay, so we're just going to mix those two together, and this is going to add a real nice smokiness, a real bacon type flavour to it if you like. I'm going to add our pesto in. It's still a little bit thick, but I'm just going to persevere with this. So just add your pesto straight in like that. I'm going to start mixing that through. It is a little bit thick, it is sticking to those tongs. I'm going to add a little bit more water so it can mix in a little bit better with the pasta and the smoked chicken. So a little bit more. You could even use a little bit of white wine if you really wanted to. I probably would not recommend that. Probably wouldn't go down as good. So water is as good as anything. I'm getting pretty happy with the consistency of that, and it's pretty much ready to play it up. Now, that pasta took around about 15 minutes to cook. The peas took around about 5 minutes to cook. So you can gather this is a very quick and hearty, nice summertime meal. Love to see you try and make it at home. It is so simple and easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share the video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit the notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something real quick and easy like this, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat this incredibly tasty chicken and pasta salad with pea and cashew pesto, and I will catch you next time. Bye!